In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Step number 1, drag your video onto the timeline. In this case, I dragged it on right here. Step number 2 is you're going to need this, which is Safe Margins. If you don't have this, then click the plus and then click right here, Safe Margins. You can drag it down or you can click OK. Alright, the next step is you want to go under here, New Item, Color Matte. Okay, pick any color you'd want. Drag your color matte down below and click on it, and then click Effect Controls, Uniform and Scale. Change the height to 2. Click Alt and then move up. Nest this. Click N on your keyboard and click Enter. Rotate this to 90 degrees. And then hold and click the color matte so that they're both selected, and then click N to nest and click Enter. And in this case, we have our image or our video selected in the center. Well, at least it looks like it. Next step is to click on your video clip, click on Position, Scale, Motion, Tab, and then this icon comes. So whenever you want your image or video to zoom in. In this case, I want it right here, or the peak or the tip of the mountain. And then go to the video clip where you want it to zoom in. In this case, we're going to add a marker right here. If you don't know how to do this, then click M on your keyboard and then add a marker. Click on your video clip, scroll to the right as it zooms in 400, and then I want this to zoom out. So we're going to move out a couple frames. Then go under to your effects control and click this window, but click this, the keyframe. Control C. Move it to the right, Control V, then go over to your beginning of the video clip and highlight by clicking Control C. Click this, move to the right, and then Control V. And then this is the before. And this is the after. Now, if you don't want your image or your video to zoom in directly, you can go under the Effects Controls tab and move these keyframes to the right a little bit. Delete or nested sequence, or click the eye check mark to not see it, and now this is what we have. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us more to see more videos like this. Comment down below, follow the channel, and I'm out. Peace.